The HILADUO Motorized Roller Blinds offer an impressive selection of over 78 blackout fabric options, providing diverse colors, textures, and patterns suitable for any room or commercial space. These blinds ensure near-total window coverage, effectively minimizing light leakage while offering privacy both day and night. With motorized convenience, these blinds come with a wireless remote control, allowing easy operation from anywhere in the room, which is particularly useful for high windows. The blinds are designed to improve indoor comfort and energy efficiency through their thermal insulation properties, helping to regulate room temperature and protect interior furnishings. Custom made to order, these roller shades are tailored to perfectly fit any window size, from small bathroom windows to large patio doors. Installation is straightforward and quick, with all necessary hardware included, and the blinds require minimal maintenance, making them a practical choice for any setting.